Hi there, welcome to the UkeStuff channel and welcome to this tutorial for the ukulele play-alongs of Angels We Have Heard on High as recorded by Josh Wilson. This video has been on the UkePlayAlongs channel for GCEA for a long time, but I am in the process of remaking all my old videos where a baritone video is needed, as well as for songs that need a chord chart or tabs. You can find the chord chart or tabs at my website at UkeStuff.info, and of course the baritone version of the play-along is now going to be available on YouTube. In this video, first of all, we will take a look at the chords you need for GCEA, soprano, concert, tenor ukulele. Then we'll look at the chords you need for baritone DGBE ukulele, and then we'll talk a little bit about strumming, or in this case, a little bit about picking as well. If you want to support the work on this channel, there are three things you can do. First of all, you can like this video. Second, you can subscribe to both of my ukulele YouTube channels, so the UkePlayAlongs channel and the UkeStuff channel. And third, you can always buy me a cup of coffee to say thank you for making this content at www.buymeacoffee.com/UkeStuff. All right, let's begin with the chords you need for GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. You'll need the G chord, the D chord. Now you can play the D chord any number of ways. I typically play it by putting my first finger at the top of the third string, second fret, and my other two fingers around it, like that. Then we have the C chord, the A minor chord, the D7 chord, the E minor chord, and one case of the A flat diminished 7. So your first two fingers go down on strings 4 and 2 at the first fret, and then fingers 3 and 4 go on strings 3 and 1 at the second fret. That's the A flat diminished 7 chord. And those are the 7 chords you need to play Angels We Have Heard on High by Josh Wilson on GCEA soprano, concert, or tenor ukulele. Now let's look at baritone. Okay, on baritone, DGBE ukulele, you'll need the G chord, the D chord, the C chord, the A minor chord, add one finger, the D7 chord, the E minor chord, and then the A flat diminished 7 chord, two fingers, strings 3 and 1 at the first fret. And those are the 7 chords you need to play Angels We Have Heard on High as recorded by Josh Wilson. Now let's talk about strumming. Now as it comes to strumming, and we're going to talk about picking a little bit here as well, just remember there was no ukulele used in the original version of this song. So with that in mind, as long as you follow 3 rules, you're good to go. Rule number 1, make sure that you play the right chords at the right time. Number 2, keep a steady beat or a steady tempo. And third, make sure that whatever you are playing, whether it's strumming or picking, that it matches the style of the music. If you're following those 3 rules, you are correct, especially since no ukulele was present in the original recording. Now, let's talk about what you can do. The first thing is you're going to hear a lot of picking on the guitar. And we are missing 2 strings from the guitar on the ukulele. I don't actually think we're missing it, but nonetheless, it's not there, so we cannot replicate it perfectly from what the guitar is doing. So if you want to pick something, here's what you could basically do. A couple things. You could play so that's string 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. And I pick by planting my pinky on the soundboard. Some players do not do that, do not like that. Some teachers do not like that, so that's one option. You could also pick strings 1, 2, and 4 at the same time, like with a claw maneuver, and then go 3, 2, 1, 2 back. Either one of those will work just fine if you want to pick. Now I'm just going to take the verse for an idea of strumming. 2 ideas for strumming. One is you could just play down strums. That would work totally fine for the whole song as well. The other thing that works a lot of times is going down, down, up, not with a swing, but kind of straight. that would also work as well. So whether you want to do the picking and try some picking, or do some strumming, like we talked about, either down strums or down, down, up, down, or you hear something different, as long again as you play the right chord at the right time, you keep a steady tempo, and you make sure that whatever you are playing matches the style of the music, you're good. So thank you very much for joining for this tutorial. I hope you are having a great holiday season, and I'll be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.